that gate, it's not even there.
I know, right?
I thought you said you were going to fix the deep dish.
I did. It's much less. It just looks wide now.
Oh. Okay. Oh, you did put the wheels on. Yeah. Nice.
That's a picture shot right there.
Yeah.
That's going on the page. Through the pink and down the hill.
Yeah.
And then if you want to go around the blue.
Yeah, I know, right?
You already committed to it twice.
Maybe you'll change it up the last time.
Yeah, I think I will.
This whole time we're going through the blue. You guys are idiots.
I know. Well, I totally thought that. I was like, wait a minute.
Yeah.
You guys are dumb.
Oh,
We're supposed to be yellow.
Cap cover? Yeah. Or cap cover. Yeah, cover. I would offer more.
Turn up the hill?
Yep. And then across the bridge. Is that the car body you bought? And then you can go through here. Make that easy for you. And then you're going to go up the hill.
You got it.
Yep, there it is.
Here you go.
Oh.
Oh, and then it went into the...
Yeah. And then Dad flipped it. Up the hill.
So none of those count. And then it works.
There you go. Cross the bridge. Nice wide turn. Good. There you go. Good job. Oh.
It's that tiny little slide.
I know.
It's this damn course builder. There it is. Nice. Across the knoll. Kill the tree. Over the knoll.
Because it's like you don't want to
through the yellow gate right here. And then up the...
What's that?
Oh, no,
It's like I think this one's kind of
it's on the south side of the building.
Going over the bridge.
there's like a driveway.
You're gonna hit that gate.
Yeah, I know. Oops.
That back right, that was close.
It's tight. Where's it going?
My son, he breaks everything on it.
And then down up and okay.
Yeah. But, you know, he has like a TNCI class and he's like, wow, I just like, that's true. That's good. Yeah, it is. I was like, yeah, you can just find motor and turn on a few things and yeah. And once I get my update parts off,
Through there.
and
And then up goes drop.
then these motors are cheap. Unless you go back there. I mean, even just buying a deadbolt itself is cheap. I mean, like $25, but you know, yeah, you can't find them.
Up the hill.
Start, yep.
Then where?
Already rubbing.
You're really confident in those wheel spacers.
Oh, I'm having some weird radio issues.
Sorry, Alex.
Went down. Sorry, man. Too late.
Don't hit any more gates, though.
It's too late. You already used hand of God. There's no coming back from that. And then the 180 hairpin.
It's the nitrous.
Yeah, that turbo you got in there.
See that gate? You here?
Hold your breath. Alex, he did say maybe by the next comp we'll have this one.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely. The next comp will be on that day.
Or have you bring yours for my one?
You guys built the course too? Or you guys?
Brandon's did.
Oh, right. Oh, yeah.
I don't think they have enough floor space in here.
So I can take this off. Because I have this one on the bottom. Yeah. Sure.
Paul, you said over 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You're still putting it.
I'm like, man, I didn't think I was that slow.
You just
You're
left.
at 5 minutes now.
You're 150 right now.
I like the new body. I like the black color.
Yeah, it's a little different for me. Yeah, it's kind of